Let's see. There you go.
Send you the video as a text message?
No, Messenger.
Okay, I can do that.
A little higher, a little higher.
Crap.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm videoing it. Check it out.
Yeah, look how close the trees
Video.
are in. Yeah, good. Thank you, Clayton.
Yep. Ooh, that went boom. Hi.
Hi.
Going on my YouTube channel.
And also send it to me.
I will.
Like,
I will. Don't worry.
booty.
I gotta send it to Dakota as well.
Yeah, I gotta remind you to do.
Ooh, I like that one. That's blue or green, whatever. The Godfest official. This is West Jeff fireworks. West Jeff's fireworks out at West Jeff High School. Sorry, there's a big old tree in the way, so I can't really help that fact. But look for the one zip in the top. I cut out with the flash, man. Did you see the flash go by? He was quick. Dang! Oh! Dude! My ears! Boom!
Being a wimp?
Nah, you pussy. Sorry, y'all, I'm going backwards. Can you hold this? Please? Please?
Fine, but I'm taking a drink.
Okay. Zoom in, everybody.
You remember how I told you that he doesn't like to share drinks with people? He shares his drinks with me.
Sorry for the camera movement, guys. I'm trying to reposition my camera. It's not working out there, or my phone. I gotta talk to my fans, to my subscribers. Oh, that was cool. Did y'all see that? That was dope. Be posting this on the same day I took it. What do we do?
I'm gonna tell Mom.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Mom's over there being weird. Oh, I missed it. Oh, look at that Corona go. Look, I'm videoing it. It's going on YouTube. That was huge. Oh, that's dope.
You like how I get that?
Hell yeah, I'm gonna get that on video.
Hold on. That was pretty cool.
Oh, that was cool.
When the big one comes up, I try to get it right as it's popping out. There it goes. That was pretty tight.
That was dope. Check it out.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah, my camera is excellent. They're all the way over there.
Oh, her?
Yeah, her.
Mom.
No, her
Oh,
dog.
she was just born in March. This year. She's just a baby. That's what they.
I'm sorry. I'm just confusing about your dog or your mom.
That one was literally red and green.
Yeah.
It's a halo.
I just got to pull my ponytail. Thanks. I brush it all the way.
You ever braid it?
It's just I brush it all the way because it's kind of short hair.
It's not really short. No, it's not short.
Oh, I like that one. Shannon, you're in the video as well. Notice got your backside. Hey, I see ya. It's going on YouTube. I did the London ones and put it on YouTube. So I'm gonna do the West Jeff now. Say hi to my future mother-in-law.
Hello.
My future mother-in-law. She's dope. She cool girl.
Thank you.
Welcome. She knows me as Bob the Stalker. Oh, that's cool. How long does this normally go for?
Very long.
Cool. So it'll be a long ass video.
Yeah.
Probably longer than my one I made.
I gotta wait. That was pretty.
That was dope.
Oh, hello.
Hey, baby. This is your first time out here.
Yeah, see, their fireworks. Their fireworks are better than London. Oh, I said it. What you gonna do? The hell was that?
What, you want a kiss, baby? Come and get a kiss. No. Oh.
My pop.
Christmas colors.
You know, you would not be ironic if they did the pride colors.
Yeah, I know.
Oh crap! Bob the Stalker wants them pride colors. You are vicious, man. What the hell?
I don't need my shade. They're not high enough.
They're for me. Jesus Christ. You need to be watching all this stuff.
Where's my
go
husband?
Yeah, he's all the way over there. He's over there. What?
Oh, across the street. Dawn, are you watching the fireworks? Yeah. I know, it's okay.
Hey, honey. Shake your can. Shake your can.
Can I have my chair?
You want your chair?
Yeah.
I'll put that in my pocket. It'll leak.
Sorry, y'all. I was with my girlfriend, my fiance.
Wait, what?
No, don't be dirty. This is YouTube. I get demonetized. What?
I'm not being dirty. You were putting a can in my pocket.
I know. Mom's head is huge.
Why are you videotaping heads?
Sound like somebody ripped their pants. What sound?
Probably you, honey.
Let me check. I'm good.
Huh?
Hang on. I'm good. What?
You can have this. Like I just chugged the entire can. Mm-hmm.
Where?
Find your trash can, dude. And no, I'm not your trash can.
I love it. We got some boogie woogie going on up there.
Catch it. Hold it
I
for me.
don't want to hold it.
I'm put it right there. Y'all see Dawn over there just dancing like a freak.
No,
Aren't you a freak? Clayton?
Oh, I'm definitely a freak. Y'all know it. I will move.
I want to wear your hat.
Okay, fine.
Ugh, Jesus. Why are you putting it on YouTube?
Because it's going on YouTube. I did the London ones. Now the West Jeffs are going on.
You hold it for Here's for about 3 minutes.
I'm proud to be an American. Where that sounded terrible.
Shut your face. She's
You look-
laughing at you.
Corona. Coronavirus. I got that corona. Oh, what the hell? Who blew up the top of the roof?
You did. Okay,
All right, who blew up SpongeBob's house?
that was you. Did. Hey babe, there's a plane going by. I wonder if it went over there and
You do realize I can
Down.
see that plane.
it would go down.
Oh man, they blew up Squidward's house now.
Now Patrick's.
Hold on. Okay, somebody totally shattered Patrick's house.
Hey Caleb, can you bring me that blue chair?
No, Tina, you
Do you want that corona right now inside your
Are you
head?
recording Corona? Nobody likes the coronavirus.
That's why it is funny, because it's full of shit. Everybody, the coronavirus is serious, so I'm not doing it to be funny. I'm just talking about
That's the
that.
big ones.
I seen that on my camera, on my video. Yeah, I'm not making fun of that corona, so don't worry.
I love you.
I love you too.
COVID-19, not making fun of it. I know it's serious thing, but yeah, it's all good.
It's okay.
I'll go videotape his head and just his head, see what else is in there. Hey, Keith, can I come over there and videotape your head? Follow you guys around, see what you do in your spare time. There's some more fire. Hey, get out of my video. We'll fight.
I wouldn't challenge her.
I'm gonna challenge her anyway.
I'm really in a bad spot. Said I'm really in a bad spot.
No. If you're in a bad spot, I'm in a bad spot. Y'all want to see a tire? Ooh la 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 la.
Seriously?
Whose is it?
Mine. is in my pocket. Leaking in my pocket.
I smashed it with my hand. One. Lift up. 1, 2. Well, that was lame. Oh, hell yeah. I want that gypsy in a bank.
Hear me, Mom?
Yes.
I hope they do that next year. Why does that light keep shining? Jeez. Thing's bright.
Hey, Shannon.
Oh,
Don's over there talking about writing a book.
I know.
What about our idea? You think she could do it?
I think she could.
Yeah. I think she could. I'd pay good money for that book.
Me too.
Even if it sounds like gibberish, I still pay good money for it. Because it'd be Dawn. Behind a freaking tree.
That was nice.
Damn!
I missed that.
Damn! Damn! I'm gonna make love to a stripper.
Hey, honey, I was gonna ask you a question, but you might say no.
What?
You make me some chicken Alfredo when we get home.
Yeah, I'm gonna make something. I'm kind of hungry. I might make them onion rings. Yeah,
Here, wanna see something?
sure.
Hold on. Just watch the video. But in the beginning, look what it looks like. What does that remind you of?
Yeah, that's fucking weird.
I know, right? How's the ground for you? Comfortable?
Not really. But it's alright.
Okay, I'll give you props for that. I like the big ones.
Thank you.
Oh, it's all smoky down there.
That's because they blew something up. They blew up fucking Patrick's house now.
You mean Patrick, SpongeBob, and Squidward live down there?
Hey, they blew up SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward's house.
What about Plankton?
Plankton lives in a bucket.
What about
Oh yeah,
Mr.
they
Crab?
torpedoed.
What about Mr. Krabs?
Mr. Krabs literally lives in an anchor. What the hell is up with that?
That's 20 minutes long.
So far, the video is. I want to drain my battery, so it'll be alright. Do you wanna dance with me? Everybody knows it is time to mess with me. Oh, here we go.
A boom. That's funny.
Alright, y'all, I'm ending the video here because it's taking too long. I want my battery drained. So, peace and love. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. See y'all next time. Bye.